How to fix Cisdem Video Converter for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script that can be used to uninstall Cisdem Video Converter from Mac OS. #bin/bash echo uninstalling Cisdem Video Converter. #remove the Cisdem Video Converter application sudo rmrf/application/Cisdem Video Converter.app. #remove the Cisdem Video Converter data and configuration file sudo rmrf/library/application/support/system/video/converter sudo rmrf/library/caches/com system.videoconverter. sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com system.videoconverter.list. Echo Cisdem Video Converter has been uninstalled. To use the script, simply save it as a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_system_video_converter.sh, make it executable with the command mod +x uninstall_system_video_converter.sh, and then run it with the command /uninstall_system_video_converter.sh from the terminal. Note that you may need to enter your administrator password to complete the uninstallation process.